What is our mission on the planet? Might we never understand it? And what if we do a role reversal? The way we move, the consumption of food, the clothes we wear, and the use of technology are part of the excessive consuming that is degrading the natural environment. 40% of plastic is produced by Spain, and most of these are plastics, which is recycled only 10% by the inhabitants of Spain.
My heart is free until you come to rescue me.
The destruction of forests continues to be at an alarming rate in many countries, especially in South America and Africa, according to the FAO.
You find me here.
More than 2,100 million tons of waste are produced worldwide, and more than 800,000 Olympic swimming pools are being filled each year by the waste we generate.
If we do something, believe in something, I don't think I should. If it ain't nothing, if it ain't nothing good.
Land is no longer more, and more must be deforested to make more land. The largest producer of waste and the smallest country to recycle is led by Donald Trump.
Tell me that it's good. If we do something,
We are more interested in money than taking care of our one home.
if it ain't nothing, if it ain't nothing,
160 million tons of its ice sheet surface has been caused by global warming, an station that is equivalent to 64 million Olympic swimming pools. The most effective solution to help the planet is to set in motion the three R's, which are number 1. Reduce. Reduce energy consumption. If we reduce energy consumption, fuel consumption will be saved, and we will also avoid pollution gas emission into the atmosphere. And replace that the mesh appliance. If we replace the household appliance, we would be saving space to the landfill. And reduce atmospheric emission from mobile sources. And if we look for another alternative to go to work like the bicycle, and we would by reducing the planet 10% of atmospheric emission. Number 2, reuse. Use the paper on two sides. If we used paper on both sides, we would be saving thousands of trees every year. And participate in returnable consumption opportunities. If we reuse all the plastic containers, we are contributing to the cleaning of the ocean and saving the lives of marine species. Giving away clothes whose seeds no longer fit us. If we give away clothes that we no longer keep, we are reducing the use of biofuels. Number 2, recycle. Separate waste from source. If we separate the waste from the source, we could take advantage of 55% of the resource that go to the landfill. Use food waste as organic matter for plants. If we use the rest of the food as organic matter, we would be improving the fertility of the soils. Modify the waste to obtain a new product. Modify the apparent residues in order to obtain a new product suitable for consumption.